Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Only Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you can tap on the device icon, and here you should see your smartwatch on the device page. Once it says connected, scroll down, find the option called Unbound. It's at the bottom of the page. Tap on it, then tap on Unbound again, and tap on Confirm. The watch will disappear from the device page. Once it does, you should be able to close the app. For some reason, it reappeared. So let's scroll down again, tap on Unbound, and Confirm. Okay, now it's gone. Okay, and once the watch is gone from this page, you can close the app. You can also open the settings on your phone and check the Bluetooth options or connected devices and check if the watch is on the list right here. If it is, you can tap on the settings icon next to it and tap on forget to remove it. But as you can see on my phone, it's not here, so I can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.